guys, new video, new day. Same day actually. When I'm uploading this. I'm uploading this like next week, I guess. Ignore that. Ignore that. So guys, Fafnir time. And I don't have the free set, so that's a shame. And I don't. Oh yeah, I also don't have the new Achilles set, the right launcher set, the free set. Anyway, so I will be unboxing the new blue launcher, the new blue LR launcher. Pretty good. It says it's longer than this launcher. Wait, that's why I brought it. And let's see that theory. So I'm going to ask someone to help me with the recording. I'm pretty bad at being on my own. I mean, I'm pretty good with if I have a tripod or anything that can hold a phone. Just pretty bad, okay? Oh, he's back. He leaves. So, one Beyblade, one launcher. Oh yeah, I'm not even gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. This is pretty old. I broke it one time and then I had to fix it. Now it makes this noise. Once I just look at that, then you'll hear this. Look, it's broken. I mean, it stops every time. Look, watch, and it comes back, but in a loose way somehow. Guess it's time to unbox. Okay, free. Where's free? Where'd he go? No, he left us. Oh, never mind. He's just here chilling. Hey, free. You okay, buddy? Yeah. Okay, now to the unboxing. Leave this there. So, I'm just gonna tear this off. I think I can just do this while holding it. Let's try holding it. It works. I like a do it better. No. Guess that works. Bam! Huh? Can you help me now? Guess you can. Yay!
What am I gonna do here?
Now, you unbox the launcher.
This is pretty hard.
I know, right? This is why it's for a video. Okay, guys.
Hard video.
Now let's see if it's really longer. Oh no! Don't listen. Ignore me. My turn. So, new launcher. Good day. So, now you hold the camera.
Actually, I want to hold it.
Okay. Now, put that down. So we just put these upside down. Now, one of us has to do it. Okay, you hold both of those.
Okay,
Wait, no. No, wait, no, I have a better idea. I have a better idea.
Hold.
No, I have a better idea. Yes. Come on, oh, this. See, I'll hold this.
It is longer.
It's longer, about how many inches is that?
Like one, not really any inch.
3 inches. Anyway, so blue is better than red. Sorry, red launcher. Go back, just go with you and live a good life. Bye. What? Did you make that noise? No.
You heard nothing. Okay,
Longer.
so this one is longer.
Pretty good.
Like probably
Launcher
a
today.
millimeter longer.
Yay.
We will definitely
Better than trash launcher. Hooray. Sucker.
If you guys wonder why we took it out of the trash can, I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe recycling gave it away.
I don't know.
So longer. I guess that's what I can say. No stickers or anything. Instructions.
No need to.
Right now.
Apparently everyone knows what to do.
We can just keep this here. I just keep all my stuff here.
And we just test this out.
Maybe not. We're gonna test out with Geist Fafnir.
If you guys are wondering, yeah, it's a double unboxing, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just gonna unbox it. Okay, never mind.
I'm taking the...
So we just unbox. We're just gonna unbox this. So we have Geist Fafnir 8 absorb. So I heard 8 sucks.
And if you guys don't know that, it sucks, but you
It's
can
pretty
still
light.
buy this
Pretty
thing.
light. It's still good though because it has some abilities.
Yeah.
Some abilities.
Yeah. It's not so good, but it sucks.
Okay, I think it's oh we broke it. Okay, you did. Now
Okay, so
we
this
have
is really what it looks like. These boxes. Look at the big layer. This big layer, guys. And this stuff too. And this box, guys, wanna know what it does? Does this. It's gone. You don't see it anymore. Pretend it's gone. And then you see this big Beyblade. It's big, getting bigger in the time.
let's discuss it now.
Let's
Okay.
discuss.
So new Beyblade today. Geist Fafnir. Pretty good. We got this guy with our new launcher right here.
Yeah. We're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see. And it matches the.
Guys, I'll give you a tutorial on how, but actually no. If you guys have broken LR launchers or any right spin launcher, I know how to fix it. Don't
Guys.
send me anything. There's a tutorial video already. I'll just send you the link. Maybe soon. I'm not sure when.
Yeah.
Just give me a few days. I mean 2 weeks or maybe. Not sure. Oh, you already get the parts.
So easy to open.
Feels good.
These are
Now.
the parts, guys.
Time to discuss. Now get out of here.
No.
Still here, guys.
And here's the free launcher that actually no one wants to discuss.
Oh, that's new. Now, okay, so we got Geist Fafnir, 8 and we also have Absorb.
It has this look.
The evolution of nothing.
I say not actually nothing. The driver. Okay. Not actually nothing.
Okay, so what? So it's obviously a spin sting Beyblade, but it can do this.
the gimmicks.
The gimmicks is it just closes it. I think it means it's an attack.
bites.
It means attack mode.
No.
It makes it more round if you spin it hard enough. If you spin hard enough, it's more round. Boom.
And we'll yeah. But
Then
when
we
you
have-
spin it too hard, well, I don't recommend spinning it too hard. That will just
Break
stress
your
the driver.
Beyblade.
Just this.
Okay.
And 8 there's nothing really changed.
It's just 8, but with chains on it.
Not really, but yeah.
Just chains on it. Perfect.
And then we have the Zord Dragon.
The evolution. It looks like
Looks weird.
what do I call it? It looks like Eternal, but with nothing.
Together.
So let's wait. Can I just close this? Nah, it doesn't work. Oh, this is fun.
You can close it. It's bouncy. It's also a free spinning driver.
Yes. You can press it double time. There's you see there's a stamina tip. You can just press that and then it will go in. Then
Yeah.
that's how it works.
Pretty
So
much.
we're just gonna put the stickers on. We're gonna be right back.
And we'll see you later.
Peace. Okay, guys, it's time for the best Beyblade. No, it's not the best Beyblade ever. So we're just gonna change this to left spin. Open this.
If you wonder why we changed rooms,
Now.
stop.
I just switched this out. I got the carabiner here to get this out. Bye. Newer baby, newer launcher. There you go. Nice and tight. Doesn't match, but hey, at least I got a launcher, right? Down there. Anyways. Okay. Repeat. 3, 2, 1. Launch pretty hard, but nothing happens. Just stands. Well, that's a good stamina. Really. Okay, we're good.
good on the outside. A
Wait.
giant Beyblade.
Okay, hold on. So it was standing still. Now let's try if we can launch it hard enough for the state to have the outer part. Let's go attack. 3, 2, 1.
Maybe
What are you
too
doing?
hard. Okay. It was meant for stamina, not attack. You're stressing it.
Wow.
So, guys, don't do stuff like this. It's what we do.
So apparently some others are having the
Attack
what's it
problem.
called? Absorb break? Yeah,
Yeah,
absorb
absorb
break.
break.
Apparently we're not having that problem. And which is
I
good.
like that.
It's good.
But apparently, we're not supposed to launch it hard. Be cautious, guys.
Okay, we're just gonna do a demo. This is really good. I'll just get Cognite. Hello, Cognite. Come back to us. Where'd your frame go? Okay, we're gonna get his frame.
We'll be right back.
Hey guys.
So
We're
here's
ready.
the demo battle.
Okay, we got a little battle here with Alter Chronos and this thing. Okay, so ready. 3, 2, 1. Then next one. 3, 2, 1.
Failure, but well, he can.
3, 2,
it's
1. Pretty bad.
Hey.
Now let's see if it can spit steel.
Yeah. See how good this goes. Okay, it's pretty bad, but still doesn't burst. It's super Z. So
Good Beyblade to have, guys.
it can even last longer.
See? With wings. Let's have another one because I keep wait, make it really bad. This is 3, 2, 1. I don't know if that bad.
Okay, Cognite is making up information for no exact reason.
Wait.
As Absorb is going, it's being pushed for no reason. Yeah, so
Frame's gone.
wow.
Well, that was bad.
Look at the clash. Look at it. And the frame is gone.
Look at this door.
Okay, he lost. So he really does do much better.
Then actual Drain Fafnir, I guess. We're gonna do a generation. We're gonna do a Drain Fafnir battle and
So we're gonna. And by the way,